Maharashtra Pollution Control Board has filed a supplementary FIR against the captain and the crew of MV Ra carrier. Now, the FIR has been filed under Section 789 of Pollution Control Act. Could lead to arrest on serious grounds. Jugal Purohit on the phone line with us. Jugal, the captain and the crew, of course, responsible. But what about those who decided to leave the ship in Indian waters and let it sink there?
Well, Deep, as far as the crew is concerned, we have to wait and watch what happens. But clearly, this is not just a charge against the captain and engineer, though they are the nominal heads of the ship. But clearly, as far as the entire crew is concerned, their passports, all of their papers have all been detained, and they're not going to be allowed to leave the country until the investigation is over. That is what the police is telling us. So clearly, in that sense, the entire crew also is grounded in effect. But clearly, this is a very stringent act that the authorities are telling us has been evoked against them. Earlier, we remember both of them were arrested, the captain and the chief engineer, and immediately they got bailed from the court because the charge under which they were arrested was barely anything to sustain the case against them. They were arrested on the grounds of negligence. Clearly a very, very light charge, and they got off on bail within no time. But this, the authorities believe, will be a very strong and stringent section, and it will not be very easy for them to secure bail from this point onwards. Police is presently, because the captain and the chief engineer are on bail, will have to seek a legal recourse before they actually move ahead in the case. But yes, that's what the police is assuring us, that they are seeking a legal opinion, and based on this supplementary FIR, which, by the way, they were awaiting for the last 2 to 3 days after the oil started emanating. Remember, when the captain and the chief engineer were arrested, the oil was not emanating from the ship. So this is a reaction to the new developments and the oil pollution that we've been seeing in and around the Mumbai coast. And this, the police believe, will give them the adequate firepower to actually prosecute the captain, the chief engineer, and the entire crew, as well as the owner of the ship.